Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Korean style stir-fried rice with corned beef. Alright, let's get started. Alright, when you're going to make a stir-fried rice, it's always good to have everything prepared. So what I have here already diced my vegetable. This is about 1 carrot, and this is about half green pepper, and this quarter red onion, and 1 green onion, also called a spring onion. And here I got about a teaspoon of the garlic, finely chopped. And here what I have, the main ingredient today I'm going to use this is corned beef. You can easily to get the local supermarket or local food store. Normally it comes with like a tin like that. So it's just easy, simple to have there. Okay, now first I'm going to prepare is just get the chop my corned beef. Okay, you see the corned beef now is still like in the room temperature, so easy to cutting. It won't be too soft. Okay, so now what we're going to do is just the finely diced. That is easier. You can fry in the whole piece in the wok or in the pan if you like, but the make easier way is you diced. Okay. Okay, now, okay, good. Then I'm going to stand by my corned beef on the side. Alright, then next ingredient I have here is Korean red chili paste. You can get the local Asian market, or you can also purchase online. You don't need much. Maybe we will, this time I'm going to need just about a teaspoon. And this, today's secret ingredient, mozzarella cheese. Okay, you just grate it like these small pieces. Later we're going to use. Alright, now first step I'm going to do this time. Okay, is the eggs. Yeah, if you see my video how to make a fried egg rice, I always start with the eggs. But this time I will doing something slightly different twist. So I'm going to make the fried egg with like a sunny side fried egg. If you have a non-stick pan, it's much easier for you to use. You can use a non-stick pan to make a sunny side, so no problem. And this time I use the wok. And another technique I'm like sharing with you the tip. Use the wok to fry egg. How to make a non-stick. The first is you gotta really heat up your wok. Okay, like what I have, you gotta really heat up your wok first. And after you heat up like this, you see all started smoking already. Okay, now my wok is very, very hot now. Make sure, and in this time, as you can see, smoke come out. In this time, turn off your heat. Then oil in. Okay, don't need to be shy with oil. Then the rolling, and with the heat off, then your egg in. Like that. Okay, as you see, that is what I'm looking for, because this time I want to sound crispy on the edge. Okay, ready? After add it in, now we can reheat on. Then get yourself spatula. Just a bit of help. You see, become like a non-stick already. See, easy. Okay. But if you want to keep a sunny side like that, then that is good to serve, ready. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Done. Okay, now then stand by on the side. Okay, on the side. In the same wok, you see, still quite hot. Then make a little bit oil in. That's enough for me. Now, let's go into our corned beef or in. Okay, just give a quick stir. Okay, now we're going to lightly brown our corned beef, because this stage can be really create the fragrance from the corned beef. So this step is very, very important for the flavor. Okay, because this time the corned beef is our main ingredient. So what I'm going to do is create the corned beef flavor. Okay. Okay, now ready, as you can see. some is already light brown on the edge. Okay, that's good for me. And this time is going to our veg. First of all, going to our onion. Okay, it's red onion, then spring onion in. Okay, now let's create the onion flavor into our pan. Okay, like this. Okay, just keep a stir about let's say about less minutes. Ready? Then our color can in, and same time our green pepper. Okay. And okay, give a good stir. Okay, also just give a stir about 30 seconds. In this stage now it's ready to go into our rice. Okay, and also the rice, remember always use the rice which you leave for overnight. Never use fresh steamed rice for the stir fry rice. Okay, and give it a good stir. Okay, maybe I change the spatula then you can see clearly. Okay, okay, just give it a good stir. And also, as I shading the tip, when you're doing the fried rice, don't chop your spatula into the rice. You are easy make a mushy. Okay, so you don't want that. So you can just little push like that. Okay, you can see little push like that. And keep a stir. Okay. Okay, then we just keep a stir for about another minute, then ready for seasoning. Okay, just add in our salt. You don't need too much salt because the corned beef is already seasoning. So you make sure you don't want to over, otherwise getting too salty. And this is the black pepper. You can use white pepper, no problem. But the black pepper with the beef, you see, it's always a good friend. So I use the black pepper. Okay, just give it a good stir. Okay, now it's time to go into. Okay, just give a space in here. Let me turn down the heat a little bit and I can explain to you. Okay, just open the space, make a room for our chili. Okay, if you like it spicy, you can add more. And otherwise, like me, I just use the teaspoon. Go in. That's it. Okay. Oh. Okay. And then just create a little bit of flavor. Okay, if you feel it's getting a little dry, no problem, because that is the flavor come out. Okay, you see, just keep a stir in the middle and ready, go. When the flavor come out, all right, then it's time for our garlic. This one, if you don't like garlic, you can leave, so it's like optional. But I like a little kick of the garlic flavor. In, good stir. Wow, oh, I can smell very good. Okay, let me have a little taste first. See if it's seasoning enough. Yeah, nice balance, good. Spicy, salty, very good. Okay, the last ingredient we in, that mozzarella cheese. All you need, just sprinkle in. The mozzarella cheese, you don't need the heat too long. All we need, just give a quick stir, like that. Okay, that is done. Okay, you see mozzarella, how fast it's melting. Can you see? Look so nice now. Okay, now, turn off heat, then we're ready to serve. Yeah. Okay, all you need to do, just take a whole your rice. Normal what I'm doing like this. Squeeze. Okay, then push the back, hold it out. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, if you are a cheese lover, I Guarantee you will really enjoy this. All right, now last, don't forget, see, this is our sunny side. All we need to do is just placing this on the top of our fried rice. And last of last, I have this. This is the Nordic seaweed. It's the, you see when you're making the sushi, Nordic seaweed. We can final garnish, so simple. You just tear out with your finger, like that. Just break out into the small part. Then let's sprinkle on the edge. Okay. See how beautiful it is. Voila, then ready to serve. Okay. Simple, easy. Try it at home. All right, let's me dig in. Look, that's breaking egg yolk part. There, you see, beautiful now. And I'm breaking the part like that. Okay. Let me pick up one bite. Nice to show you the cheese. Look at the leg. Yo ho 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 ho. Ha ha. Look. Beautiful, man. Hot. It's really hot. Okay. Look this. Oh, so nice. Look at that. I'm telling you, oh man, nothing can beat this recipe. Really. You really need to try yours. Okay, follow my step. Not easy to getting fail. Trust me. So simple, easy, and so delicious. All right, enjoy. All right, this is my how to make Korean style fried rice with corned beef. Simple, easy, delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Of course, if you have any question, welcome to leave a comment below. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.